Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over Bankroll Flow. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my channel, I'm about to share how to withdraw your daily interest from Bankroll Flow. As you can see right now on my account, I got $27 available and I got some rewards I can claim. And on this video, I'm about to share how to withdraw your daily interest from Bankroll. Now, if you don't know what Bankroll is, it's a smart contract on the TRON blockchain that allows you to deposit money, right? And it treats it as like a certificate of deposit. It's really a crypto bank, right? With Bankroll Flow, with the network, what it's creating, right? And it pays you out 1% daily for 365 days. Now, you can expand that by reinvesting your earnings daily. If you reinvest your available balance, like right now I got $27 and I got these rewards, I can reinvest all of that and it'll increase my principal deposit, which would increase my max payout, and it will also increase the daily amount of interest I'm paid out. Or you could just withdraw it, and you could withdraw it back and sell it to TRON and convert that into Bitcoin. And once it's in Bitcoin, you can either keep it in Bitcoin and let that grow as Bitcoin grows, or you can withdraw it back into money, or you can invest in any other altcoin. You can exchange the Bitcoin for any other altcoin. So Bankroll Flow is just a good way to create passive income, through crypto. No matter what the market is doing, you can have money in Bankroll earning 1% a day off this smart contract. So I'm about to show y'all how to withdraw. So right now we got $27, y'all know that, and we got the rewards. So on your Bankroll Flow account, right, all you would do is press claim. Now if you press roll, that's reinvest, but if you press claim, right, then it requests a signature from the smart contract. You got to trigger the smart contract. Then you accept that, and the transaction goes through, right? Now you see in my account, I got 335 Banker X available, right? I claimed it. And if we go to Swap X, right, which is the exchange, which you exchange Banker X to TRX, right, you can see the current amount of Banker X I got is worth $95, right? So I earned $95 on this account just over the past 3 days, right? Now with that, I can sell this Banker X, right? We're gonna sell all of this Banker X. And this is how you convert it back into money. You sell that, and then you accept that sale, right? Now you see I got it in TRX. Now I got all of the money in TRX. I got 3,000 TRX, right? And that's worth $95. So if we go to my TronLink, you gotta have TronLink when you're using Bankroll. When you're using the Bankroll network to interact with this smart contract, you gotta have TronLink. So if we go back to TronLink, you will see now I have the $96 in my TRX account, right? And from here, we can send this TRX to our Atomic wallet, right? We're gonna send this to Atomic wallet. Hold on, let me go down to TRX or TRON, receive. So we're gonna copy that, and then we're gonna go to TronLink, and we about to send that out, right? We're gonna send that out. Max transfer amount, and then we send. Now we about to send that TRX. Transaction submitted, right? We sent that TRX out. Now we go back to the Atomic Wallet. Yeah, TRX move fast. So y'all see, now we got the money on the Atomic Wallet. We got $94 on the Atomic Wallet. Now what we gonna do is go to the exchange, right? And we gonna exchange TRX for Bitcoin. Oh yeah, here we go. So now we're gonna exchange the TRX for Bitcoin, right? So we got the TRX right here. We're about to exchange all for Bitcoin. And once you have it in Bitcoin, like I said, you can put it in any other altcoin. You know, you can cash it out back into money. You know, you can do whatever you want once it's Bitcoin. So it's gonna take some time to exchange from TRX to Bitcoin. But it's processing right now. You can see the estimated time, 5 to 20 minutes, but sometimes it can take longer. You know, you just gotta be patient with cryptocurrency. We go to the exchange, order history. It's in process. But I'm gonna keep it running until the Bitcoin transfer, you know, until the TRON transfer into Bitcoin fully.
A few moments later.
Alright, so our TRX completed the transfer to Bitcoin. As y'all can see, the TRX we sent from Bankroll Flow, right? We sent it from the TronLink Wallet to our Atomic Wallet, right? Then we transferred the TRON to Bitcoin, right? This is the process. Now, when you go to the wallet, you will see that I have the available balance in Bitcoin. I have $98 available in Bitcoin right now. And once it's Bitcoin, you could do whatever you want, right? You could transfer this money to a different altcoin. You could purchase Ethereum or any other altcoin you want, or you could cash this back out into money. What I want to do, I want to cash it back out into money. So we're gonna go on Coinbase, right? And I'm gonna send this money to my Coinbase account, because on Coinbase you can easily withdraw Bitcoin back into your bank account. So that's what we're gonna do today. Alright, so in order to send it to Coinbase, all you gotta do is go to send, right? Go to your Coinbase, go to receive, alright, and then you copy your Coinbase address. Got that copy. Then we paste right here, and we go to send all. We're gonna send all. Hold on. It's loading. It look like the network loading. Alright, now we're gonna press send all. It's gonna be a $2 fee. Then we send. Oh, I gotta type in my password. Now we sending the Bitcoin to Coinbase, and on Coinbase we'll be able to withdraw it, you know, back into our bank account, right? So we just sent that. All right, let's go to the history. Okay. So now, as you can see, I'm receiving $95, right? It's pending right now on my Coinbase, but I'm receiving the money I just sent. It was a $2 service fee to send the money, but as you can see, it's appearing on Coinbase. And once it's here, you can do whatever you want. Let me refresh that. It's still pending. So I'm gonna leave it running until it complete the entire process, just so y'all can see. So as y'all can see, I just received the Bitcoin. The transaction is completed. Right, if we go view the transaction, you will see it's confirmed. Right, and on my Coinbase account, I could go to my home and you can see my portfolio balance. Now Bitcoin dropped 9%. I was supposed to finish this video up yesterday. Right now it's January 30th, but I could sell this. I could send it. All I would have to do is sell it, as cash USD. Then from there, I could deposit that right onto my Chase account or any other one of my bank accounts. So that's how you withdraw money from Bankroll Flow and get it back into Bitcoin and get it back into spendable money that you can deposit into your bank account, or you can invest in any other altcoin that's listed on Coinbase, or you could send the Bitcoin to any other exchange where you could trade it for different altcoins or store it, keep it as a store of value in Bitcoin. So that's how you withdraw money from Bankroll Flow. Hope this video was helpful for y'all. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy YON WORLD. I'm out. Peace.